Hello, everyone! Are you ready to sing? Let's learn our letters, let the fun begin. From A to Z, come sing along with me. 1, 2, 3, let's go! A is for a happy apple jumping up and down. B is for a busy bee flying all around. C is for a cheerful crab who dances on the ground.
Oh, the ABCs, it's fun for you and me, singing all the letters for the world to see.
The amazing alphabet, hooray, hooray. D is for a pink dolphin dancing in the sea. E is for a soaring eagle flying wild and free. F is for a friendly fox, as playful as can be.
G is for some juicy grapes that sparkle and they bounce. H is for a hippo dancing every single ounce.
I is for ice cream spinning with colorful sprinkles all about.
Oh, the ABCs, it's fun for you and me, singing all the letters for the world to see.
The amazing alphabet, hooray, hooray. J is for a jellyfish that floats so soft and slow. K is for a colorful kite, watch it fly and go. L is for a ladybug, crawling to and fro.
M is for a happy mouse who's dancing with a friend. N is for a sweet narwhal where the ocean waters bend.
O is for a funny orange, dancing till the end.
Oh, the ABCs, it's fun for you and me, singing all the letters for the world to see.
The amazing alphabet, hooray, hooray. P is for a penguin who loves to jump his rope. Q is for a mother quail walking full of hope. R is for a speedy rocket up the starry slope.
S is for a submarine exploring deep and new. T is for a tiny turtle jumping just for you.
U is for a UFO with a silly flying crew.
Oh, the ABCs, it's fun for you and me, singing all the letters for the world to see.
The amazing alphabet, hooray, hooray. V is for a traveling van driving on its way. W is for watermelon dancing through the day. X is for xylophone and the happy songs it plays.
Y is for a spinning yo-yo shouting out hooray. Z is for a running zebra zipping by today.
Now we know our ABCs, we sang them all with you. From A all the way to Z, we know our letters.
Woohoo!
Great job, everyone! See you next time!
Bye-bye!